the turkey. Here's a heavy, buddy. Anybody want a neck? Oh. Pretty neck. It's not Thanksgiving. Might think it's Thanksgiving. It's not. It's far from it. It's 2 weeks from it. Check the inside. You have a flag? No? No flag? Oh yeah, you can't see inside. There it is. And that's where that's going. Yes, that doesn't look good, but it's delicious.
Today is the Saturday before.
Saturday before. Turkey leg. Turkey skin. My hands inside the turkey. I feel so violated. Flip this thing around. No, am I supposed to?
Yeah.
I don't know. It didn't say on the wrapper. The wrapper's over there on the stove. This thing's heavy. Is that his neck? Let me see. Oh yeah, every time I pick that up it gets slimy. What is that? Oh, it's blood.
Take out the necks and giblets. There's no giblets?
Apparently not. I'll double check. Maybe it's like right there. Yes, that's his blood you see in the liquid there. Oh. Most disgusting video I'll probably see on YouTube. Oh, my hand. It's so cold! Oh, fuck. Is that its anus? What, Dad? What is that?
That's where you gotta put the stuff.
It's feathers still. I want to wash that.
Let's just clean that. Put this stuff in there first.
Alrighty. YouTube, this is my Thanksgiving turkey. 2 weeks before Thanksgiving. Say goodbye, please.
Don't splash.